Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a crucial topic for our LGBTQ+ audience out there studying abroad. If you're considering taking your education journey to international waters, this video is tailored just for you. Let's get started. The first step is researching LGBTQ+ friendly destinations. Check for legal protections, acceptance, and inclusive policies. Countries like Argentina, Belgium, Canada, France, Iceland, New Zealand, South Africa have been recognized for their positive attitudes. Remember, it's important to feel safe and supported. University policies and support. Next up, look into university policies and support. Many institutions have LGBTQ+ resource centers, clubs, and counseling services. Reach out to them to get a sense of how welcoming and inclusive they are. Connecting with LGBTQ+ students. Connect with current LGBTQ+ students at your prospective university. Social media groups, forums, and even university websites often have platforms for student interactions. They can provide valuable insights into the real campus experience. Accommodation considerations. When it comes to accommodation, consider your comfort. Some universities offer gender-inclusive housing options. Reach out to the housing department to discuss your preferences and needs. Cultural sensitivity and LGBTQ+ norms. Familiarize yourself with the cultural attitudes towards LGBTQ+ individuals in your chosen country. Be aware of any cultural norms that might differ from what you're used to. This understanding will help you navigate social situations respectfully. Legal and safety concerns. Understand the legal and safety concerns in your host country. Research laws related to LGBTQ+ rights and freedoms. While most places are accepting, it's good to be informed and prepared. Building a support network. Once you arrive, focus on building a support network. Attend LGBTQ+ events, join clubs, and engage with the local community. These connections can be your lifeline and a source of valuable friendships. Mental health and self-care. Prioritize your mental health and self-care. Studying abroad can be challenging, so remember to seek counseling services if needed. Your well-being matters. Sharing your story. Consider sharing your experience. Document your journey through blogs or vlogs to help other LGBTQ+ students who might be considering the same path. Your story can be a beacon of hope. Conclusion. Your comprehensive guide to studying abroad as an LGBTQ+ student. Remember, you have a unique perspective to bring to the world. Embrace this adventure, stay true to yourself, and thrive. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Safe travels and until next time.